Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Koyel. I recently shaved my head, so yes, hair ties are not an option for me, but you have not. So in this lockdown, come let me teach you something to be creative, to save you some money, and also it will be a great time pass in this lockdown. So let us learn how to make scrunchies at home. For my scrunchie, I'm going to use velvet cloth. There are several measurements available for making a scrunchie depending on the thickness of the hair and also the purpose of it. For my scrunchie, I'm going to use the measurement 4 inches into 24 inches. Now we have to fold the cloth. The front side of the cloth will be inside and the back side will be on the out. And then we will stitch the width of the cloth. Now we will fold half of this side inside the other half part and then stitch the outer one. From the width side, where we have kept a little space, we will pull the fabric inside out. Cut the elastic by 6 inches if it is for children, and if it is for adult and with people with thick hair, then 8 inches will be much better. Now, now put the elastic through the cloth and tie it tightly. Make sure while you cut the elastic you keep an inch extra, because most of it goes into while tying it up. After you have done that, now bring the elastic in between the unstitched cloth. The final step is to stitch the rest of the part that is left, and we will do it by doing invisible stitch on it. Let me show you how to do invisible stitch. We have successfully made our scrunchie. Hope you learned how to do it yourself, and if you did, please do not forget to like and share it as much as you can. And if you try it, do not forget to share it with me. I would love to see yours. If this video is successful, I will come up with another easy way of making scrunchies. Till then, bye, take care.